So, hello everyone, it's your Ate Yaka. So, before that, I have a Facebook page. So, please do follow me and support me, guys. Now, we proceed to our mukbang. So, let's try to mukbang this chicken. Dala to ng kapatid ko gabi, but maraming naiwan. So, ininit ko na lang. And then, I make some sauce, suka. We have some spring onion, spicy chili spicy, and a pinch of salt and sugar. So I have a bowl of rice. So let's try to eat, guys. So now let's try. So mixed chicken pala to. May chicken skin and then the neck, the part of Lahat yung suka. Medyo makulit na siya kasi nakailang takes na ako. Para lang maging maayos yung pagsasalita ko. The last batch.